Merry Christmas! It is 6:15. Someone has been awake since 3. Haven't they? Hi. So, does anyone want any stocking presents?
Yeah.
Yeah? Okay. I'll have it because it's a hot drink. Right. Mika. Ari. Bossy! Oh, a Harry Potter book. What's yours? What's yours? What is it?
Oh, yeah.
What is it? Is it a giant Freddy?
In the box. Let it in the box.
Yeah.
Look at this one.
I know. We happy with present number 1?
Yeah.
Okay. Let me get...
Look in the back.
I know.
Test colour paint.
Oh. Right.
I love my teddy.
Foxy.
Can I open
Mika. Aria. Banana, get down.
We open the old present.
These are just your stocking presents. Do you know what it is?
Rainbow
Do you know what it is? What is it? It's a bath bomb that you put in, and it's a cloud, and when it goes in the water, it shoots rainbows out of it. Where did you get it?
A puzzle.
A puzzle?
Wow, shiny.
Lucky boy.
Put that on the pile.
Pass me your wrapping paper, Bubby. Thank you. Right, you want another one?
Yeah.
Okay, wait a sec. Right, we got... Oh, that's for you two to share, so open that quickly together.
Mommy. Scissors. Look, he's in my telephone.
Look.
Rainbow
But look at the blades.
I know the look.
They
They
all-
want people to share.
They all do different cutting styles.
Little one to spread.
Doing their...
Hammer.
Fox has got a gold bar. The girls have got diamonds.
And I found something.
And they can actually... The girls ones have got a 1 in 24 chance of finding a real diamond, and then there's crystals. And Foxy's has got 1 in 24 of gold, and then real crystals.
Yeah.
So, 5. Oh, there's 5 plus stones in every one. So there's 5 stones in there.
Yeah,
You just have to bash it, Bubby. Oh. I'm very pleased I got those because it keeps them entertained, or I can see them whilst I fix my barnet. See how pretty the living room looks when you turn it off. You want it on. It's 6:30. Everybody's gone, and Christmas has left the house. The tree's gone. The decorations have gone. I am that person. I have my Christmas lights and everything up from like the 25th of November, but they come down. It's normally Boxing Day they come down. I know, but I'm not going to be here tomorrow, so I did it today because I had Ben and his dad were both here today, and I couldn't reach all the stuff on the ceiling, so I made them help me. I realised they have left one. Oh, thank you. They have accidentally left one snowflake. But I've put some Christmas lights, not Christmas lights, just fairy lights. I put them up here like that, and then I've moved this sofa over there where the Christmas tree was. It's going to be slightly this way. Move this one back, put the chair here, this here, put my little fox lamp in this corner. The kids have just got toys everywhere, and I moved the Christmas tree by myself outside, so there's just Christmas tree needles everywhere. But I'm not going to worry too much about sorting this out. Yeah, it looks beautiful. So I'm just trying to we're making it a snuggly vibe now. Because Christmas is done. Yeah. I know it's not to everybody's taste to remove Christmas so quickly, but I always like to do it as like a reset. So I don't want to go into the new year with the Christmas stuff up. I just don't see the point. Like, Christmas decorations up on the run up to Christmas as the excitement mounts. But Christmas is done. Why are we still got Christmas decorations up? Can we not? I heard that fart. I heard that fart. You run farting.
I heard it as well. I heard it as well.
Fox had his own fart.
This is your fart.
My squeaky leaks.
I got new headphones.
They got the most amazing presents, didn't you? Because you didn't get that.
And
they light up. Fox, give me that. Yeah, don't flash them, bubs. They got Monopoly, Pop-Up Pirate. Foxy got this garage from this car thing from Nana with a shark.
We got a penny machine.
We got him a penny machine.
Can
Mika and Ari got loads of craft stuff. Ari got a lava lamp. They got some games. You need to get all your games that you want to take to Nana's tomorrow, actually.
Yeah.
Foxy's bringing his penny machine over to show you. Come here, Bubs. Put it on here.
You want it?
He's got a penny machine. Your pennies are there, Bubby. Yeah. You've got his penny machine. And you put your pennies in the top, and then this is all he wanted for Christmas, so I found one for him. I found this in the sale. And you just poke your pennies in. You can put real pennies in it, or 5p's, and then you can put little sweets and stuff so they get pushed out. But dinner was lovely, wasn't it? It wasn't too stressful because I did most of it yesterday. We're not really having any dinner tonight. Well, not I say dinner, it was Christmas lunch. We did it at 2. But we're not going to have any dinner tonight. Ari's had a couple of crackers. Yeah. Bring my pillows over. The girls got me some new cushions for my sofa. So I've got a Hogwarts one here. No. Under no circumstances are you playing with those headphones. I've got a fluffy love heart one, and then I got one that says Property of Hogwarts. This is what I specifically asked for from the kids was, here you go, Ari, put them on the side, please. Was cushions for the sofa, and I wanted them to choose them, so it was something that they felt like they were involved in.
I can't sing jingle.
Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh.
Hey, I got a new water.
Mika got a new water bottle.
And it's Harry Potter.
It's a Harry Potter one. Ari got a Harry Potter diary. And then tomorrow, my car... I will write the letters on. The oil leak in my car doesn't look too bad. We've got to check again in the morning, but so far, touch wood, it seems okay. So I should be able to drive to my mum's in the morning, which means you'll get to see my mum's new kitchen. which she's very excited about. It's not complete yet, but she was able to use it today. They only took the pop-up kitchen away on Friday. Yeah. So she had her friends round today for dinner. Stop it, Squeaks, a minute. And then, yeah, we're going to Mum's really early, so we'll literally get up, get our breakfast, and then go.
Wow.
Don't put them in because you're going to break it. It's trying to shove things that aren't supposed to go in the penny machine. So we want to try and get to Granny Nana's for 9. So we'll try and leave here for 8 o'clock. And then we'll spend a couple of hours at my mum's. No, Aria. Put it in, but we're not playing it. And then we're going to go to Ben's mum's for Boxing Day. And then we're going to leave there at about 3 to get back here for 4. Tomorrow's Boxing Day, yeah. So yeah, that was it. That was our Christmas Day. How was yours? What did you do? What food did you have? We had turkey crown and some gammon. And we had roast potatoes, Yorkshire puddings. Christ on a bike, make more noise, why don't you? Roast potatoes, Yorkshire puddings, broccoli, cauliflower cheese, which was amazing. Brussels sprouts with pine nuts, candied sweet potatoes. And then Ben's mum did sausages, pigs in blankets, stuffing balls. We had dolphin wire potatoes as well. Oh, it was so good. But I was very careful. I ate till I was about 60% full and then stopped because of the gallstones thing. I don't want to risk making myself puke tonight. That'd be no fun. Yeah, let me know what you had. What is your go-to Christmas lunch, Christmas dinner? One of my friends did her Christmas dinner yesterday. So then today she could just relax and like have picky bits and focus on today. So I might do that next year. Have like a big dinner on Christmas Eve.
Like open the present?
No, Christmas Eve have the dinner, so have like what we had today. Yeah. But then Christmas Day, just have snacks and then just focus on the presents and being together and playing games. Yeah. And we haven't had the telly on all day, not once. We're very good, haven't we? And we've been playing the pants game. We might play it again in a minute. So we're going to go and we will see you tomorrow. Thanks for watching. So Merry Christmas! Bye.